Have you ever wondered how new technologies can work together to create amazing apps? If you're curious about how React Native and Android Instant apps can play nicely together, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this exciting topic. I totally get it. With Google recently announcing Android Instant apps, many developers are asking if this will work with React Native. It's a valid concern, especially since React Native generates a main JavaScript bundle. You're definitely not alone in this thought. So, let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked, will Android Instant apps work with React Native apps? They want to know how to leverage both technologies, especially for hybrid React Native Android apps. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To understand this better, we need to look at what Android Instant apps are. They allow users to run apps without installation, thanks to code splitting. This raises the question, can we integrate this with the React Native architecture? Let's find out. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share some tips on how to maximize the benefits of both technologies for your projects. To begin integrating React Native with Android Instant apps, the user should first understand the concept of code splitting. This allows the application to load only the necessary code for the features being used. Next, the user should configure their React Native project to support dynamic loading of components. This can be achieved by using React's lazy loading feature. After setting up lazy loading, the user can create separate entry points for their React Native app. This will help in generating smaller bundles that can be loaded on demand. Finally, the user should test their application to ensure that the integration works smoothly. They can use Android Studio to run the Instant app and verify the performance. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple web pages? Look how far we've come with technologies like React Native and Instant apps. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that the Native Development Kit, or NDK, is supported on Android 5.0 and higher. They suggest checking for any potential incompatibilities that might arise. Additionally, they recommend visiting the React Native GitHub page for more insights on this topic. Here's a pro tip. Always test your app thoroughly in both environments. This will help you catch any issues early and ensure a smooth experience for your users. And there you have it. By leveraging both React Native and Android Instant apps, you can create a seamless experience for your users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips.